Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter place value. The lessons we're going to cover today are convert from expanded form up to hundreds, convert from expanded form up to thousands, sorry, I forgot. I thought I have shared the screen. Really very sorry. So we're going to start with the chapter place values. The lessons we're going to cover today are convert from expanded form up to hundreds, convert from expanded form up to thousands, and identify a digit up to the hundreds places. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here I'm on grade 2 math. The chapter we are on right now is place values. Let's just start with the lesson that is convert from expanded from up to hundreds. What is 10 plus 3? The first thing you need to learn is what is expanded form, right? I'm going to start with an example. So just listen to me carefully. For example, we have a number that is 152. You need to write this number in expanded form. How do you write? You can write it like this. 1 is at the hundreds place, right? So you can write it as 100. 5 is at the tens place, so you can write it as 50. And 2 is at the ones place, so you have to write as 2. When you add them together, they make 152. This is the expanded form. When you write the numbers with their place values, then that is known as the expanded form. 1 is at the 100 place, so you can write 1 as 100. 5 is at the tens place, so you can write it as 50. And 2 is at the ones place, so you can write as 2. So that is 152. Got it? Okay, now what is 10 plus 3? Basically, the 10 tells you 10 is at the tens position and 3 is at the ones. You can understand the place values from this expanded form also. 2 is at the ones place. 5 you have 150 that is at the tens place. 101 is at the hundreds place, right? The digits tell you the place value, right? Let's just start with the test questions. What number has 4 hundreds, 3 tens, and 1 1? Which is the correct option? That is 431. Option number one is the correct option. You can make the place value chart. The place value chart is like this: ones, tens, and hundreds. So one is at the ones place, three is at the tens, and four is at the hundreds. So together they make 431. Option number one is the correct option. What number has four tens and two ones? So which is the correct option? Four tens and two ones. The rightmost is at the ones, and then you have tens. So you have two ones and four tens. So that is option number two. That is 42. Option number two is the correct option. What is 70 plus 8? So which is the correct option? 70 plus 8. That is 78. Option number one is the correct option. No one is answering why. That isn't too difficult, then why no one is answering? What number has 700, 7 tens, and 1 1? Which is the correct option? 7 tens, 700, 7 tens, and 1 ones. That makes 771. Option number one is the correct option. The next one is what is 600 plus 30 plus 5? So as I have already explained, that is actually the number written in expanded form. How do we make a digit from the expanded form? You can simply add. When you add them 600, you can add like this, like you add the numbers simply. 0 plus 5 is 5, 3 plus 0 is 3, and 6, the digit they make is 635. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is convert from expanded form up to thousands. What number has six thousands, no hundreds, two tens, and one one? So now you have to write down the numbers given in the word form. So just make a place value chart. 6,000 means 6 is at the thousands position. No hundreds means 0. 2 is at the tens position and 1 is at the 1. So together they make 6,021. Let's just start with the test questions. Which number has 500, 6 tens, and no ones? Which is the correct option? So let's just make a place value chart. 500, that means 5 is a digit that would be at the hundreds position. 6 is at the tens position and no ones means 0 it is. So the correct option is 560. Option number 1 is the correct option. The number they make is 560. What is 5,600 plus 50 plus 1? 5,000 plus 600 plus 50 plus 1. So 5 is at the thousands place, 6 is at the hundreds, 5 is at the tens, and 1 is at the ones. When you can add, you can see the same digit they make, that is 5,561. That is 5,651. Option number 3 is the correct option. What is 1,000 plus 200 plus 90 plus 6? Which is the correct option? That is option number 1 is the correct option. The digit they make is 1,296. 1 is at the thousands position, 2 is at the hundreds, 9 is at the tens, and 6 is at the ones position. What number has 9 hundreds, 9 tens, and no ones? That is 9 is at the hundreds position, 9 hundreds, 9 tens, and no ones. That means then ones digit is 0. Option number 3 is the correct option. That is 990. What number has 9 hundreds, no tens, and 6 ones? Which is the correct option? That is 906 because 9 is at the hundreds position. No tens means you have 0 tens and then 6 ones. So the digit they make is 906. Option number 3 is the correct option. What number has 6,000s, 900s, 5 tens, and 4 ones? So, which is the correct option? 6,000s, 900, 5 tens, and 4 ones. So, let's just make a place value chart. That would be ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. 6,000s, 900s, 5 tens, and 4 ones. So, together they make 6,954. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is 100 plus 10 plus 9? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is 119. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 119. What number has 4,000s, no hundreds, 3 tens, and 5 ones? The correct option is option number 3 is the correct option. That has 4,000s, no hundreds, 3 tens, and 5 ones. What is 2,000 plus 900 plus 70 plus 7? Which is the correct option? Which digit they make? Option number B is the correct option. That makes 2,977. Option number 2 is the correct option. What is 600 plus 10 plus 6? So, which is the correct option? That is 616. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is identify a digit up hundreds place. Let's just start with the lesson. Which digit is at the ones place? So if you still have problem with the place values, you can make a place value chart. The rightmost digit is always the digit that is at the ones position. Eight is at the ones position. The correct option is 8. Let's just start with the test questions. Which digit is at the ones place? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 0. The one that is at the rightmost position is 0. 0 is at the ones place. Which digit is it the tens place? Which is the correct option? Six is at the tens place. The correct option is 6. Option number 1 is the correct option. 1 is at the tens place. The correct option is option number 1. Which digit is in the ones place, which is the correct option? 6 is at the 10, sorry, 9 is at the ones place. The rightmost digit is always at the ones position. So 9 is at the place. Which digit is in the ones place, which is the correct option? That is 3 is at the ones position. The correct option is 3. Which digit is at the tens place, which is the correct option? Seven is at the tens place. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which digit is at the tens place, which is the correct option? 5 it is. 5 is at the tens place. Very good. Which digit is in the which digit is at the ones place? The digit that is at the ones place is 0. Which digit is at the tens place, which is the correct option? The correct option is 1. Which digit is at the tens place, which is the correct option? That is, 2 is at the ones place. The correct option is 2. Which digit is at the ones place, which is the correct option? 0 is at the ones place. The correct option is 0. Which digit is in the ones place, which is the correct option? That is 3. The correct option is 3. Which digit is at the tens place? That is 8. The correct option is 8. Which digit is in the ones place, which is the correct option? The digit that is at the ones place is 8. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 2 math. Chapter we were working on is place values. The lessons we have covered today are convert from expanded form up to 100, convert from expanded forms up to thousands, identify a digit up to hundreds place. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So you can please ask questions for which you need help. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.